Hi everyone, I'm Hemant, 3rd SEM BCA SFS College. I'll be taking a small seminar on types of virus and its passwords. First thing, let's know what is computer virus. It's a program that harms our device and files in such a way that it cannot be used anymore. It may finally result in crashing your computer. The first thing which you might notice in the case of virus attack is the speed with which your system shall process very slow, and then gradually the other changes can also be observed, like pop-up windows, self-execution of programs, logout from accounts, and crashing of devices. Types of computer virus. Across the world, computer viruses are a great issue of concern as they can cause billions of dollars worth harm to economy each year. The first virus is that boot sector virus. This virus infects floppy disk and hard disk, which contains the files that is required to start an OS. And the second one is direct action virus. This virus attacks with .exe files and .com file and enters the devices. And the next one is file infector virus. This virus is a spreading virus. It first infects a single file and then spreads to other executable files. Its main source is games and word processors. And the next one is space filler virus. It's a rare type of virus which fills in the empty spaces of the file. Macro virus. This virus comes from a mail and it is written in a macro language. Next one is a resident virus. This virus is hidden in the memory and hard to be removed from the system. And the next one is multiparasite virus. This is such a virus. If it is attacked, you are in a risk of cyber threat. Next one is overwrite virus. One of the most harmful viruses. This is a virus which completely removes the existing program and overwrites the malicious code. And the next one is polymorphic virus. This virus is a type of virus which is spread by spam and infected websites, and they are tough to detect. How to protect your computer from virus? The best thing that can be done is to install an antivirus software, or if the condition is too serious, then it is better to consult a techie. Antivirus. Let's know what is antivirus. It is also known as anti-malware, and it is a computer program used to prevent, detect, and remove malware. These are some of the antivirus software. That is Norton antivirus, Kaspersky antivirus, F-Secure antivirus, Avesta, McAfee, Komodo, and there are many other free antivirus as well. Now let's know what is password. A password is the one uh, which is memorized secret, typically a string of characters, uh, usually used to confirm a user's identity with no space in between. Password is also called as passcode. It may vary from 6 to 64 characters. Strong passwords. Strong passwords are those in which is hard to guess, that comprises of a uppercase letter, lowercase letter, digits, as well as symbols. The example is given below. And weak passwords are those which is easy to break, like names of the person, children name, date of birth, mobile number, etc. Next one is types of password. OTP, as we all know, one time password, which is automatically generated password with a random number for a specific time, that is a for a single transaction or a session or a single session. And next one is social login. This login is that in which we need not to create a separate login to applications and websites. Instead, we log in through Facebook or Google account. Two-factor authentication. It requires user to provide two factor authentication like user ID and password or a PIN that user has been assigned with. And next one is biometric. They are the body measurements and calculation related to human characteristics like fingerprint, retinal scan, and behavioral characteristics such as typing patterns and voice recognition. Multi-factor authentication is similar to two-factor authentication, which gives access to a website or application only after successfully presenting two or more pieces of evidence to an authenticator. That is like knowledge, possession, and inheritance. Next one is token. A token is a physical hardware device like smart card or a key fob that gives access to the electronically restricted resources. Token is an alternative of password, and it acts as an electronic key to access something. Thanks for listening. If any queries, please post it in the comment section. Thank you.